In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect meta ads to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your meta account connected, your lead forms flowing into the CRM, your ads syncing for reporting, and optional pixel tracking set up for better conversion visibility. Let's start right inside GoHighLevel. Log in and open the left menu. Head to Settings, then Integrations, and look for the option labeled Facebook Form or Facebook Ads. This is the doorway that lets GoHighLevel pull your leads and ad performance data from Meta. Next, connect your Facebook account. Click Connect and a Meta pop-up will appear. Sign into your Facebook account, click Continue, and grant permissions for pages, ad accounts, lead forms, and Instagram accounts. These permissions are required for syncing leads and tracking ads, so keep them enabled. When you're done, click Done. Your Facebook account is now linked to this GoHighLevel sub-account. If you manage multiple businesses, double-check you're connecting the right one, and make sure you have admin access in Meta Business settings. After the connection, choose the specific assets you want to use: your Facebook page, the ad account, and optionally your Instagram account. If you don't see an asset you expect, it usually means a permission issue in Meta Business Manager. Adjust access there, then come back and reselect. Now connect your Facebook lead forms. Still under Integrations, open Facebook form. You'll see your pages listed. Click the page you want, toggle on the lead forms you wish to sync, and assign each form to a workflow, a pipeline stage, and a tag. The workflow handles automated follow-up, the pipeline stage organizes the lead in your CRM, and the tag helps with segmentation and reporting. From now on, when someone submits a lead ad form, the contact appears instantly in GoHighLevel with the settings you chose. To bring in ad performance, go to Marketing, then Ads. Select Facebook Ads and click Enable Tracking. Choose the Facebook page and ad account, then click Sync Ads. You'll see your campaigns, ad sets, and ads populate, along with key stats like cost per lead, impressions, and conversions right inside GoHighLevel. If data doesn't appear right away, click Sync again and check your date range. For optional conversion tracking on your GoHighLevel pages, open Meta Business Manager, go to Events Manager, and copy your pixel ID. In GoHighLevel, go to Sites, then Funnels or Websites, open your funnel, click Settings, and paste the pixel code under Head Tracking Code, then Save. This lets your pages send events back to Meta for better optimization. That's it. You're connected, syncing, and ready to track results accurately inside GoHighLevel.